Let's say you need to separate the first name and last name out of the complete name, and it's a huge list and huge data. So don't do this manually like you type the name and then again you type the name and you are doing this way. Instead, what you do, put all the name, put name on first and the second and remove the last name, and here you remove the first name. I have showed to the Excel that this is the first name and that's the last name. So what you do, you drag all the way down and you use this function, the plus button, and you do the flash fill and you will get the first name. Then you do the same way on the last name, you do the same thing on the last name. Select this, go to the plus sign and select flash fill and you will get the first name and the last name, and it doesn't matter how long your data is. Follow me for more Excel tips.